Welcome to the Digital Success Channel, your one-stop destination for mastering digital marketing strategies and discovering the best ways to make money online. Our mission here is simple: to provide you with the tools, knowledge, and strategies you need to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind and achieve financial freedom. We do this by offering weekly tips and tutorials that cover a wide range of topics, from affiliate marketing and e-commerce to social media strategies and beyond. Why subscribe? Well, you see, the digital world is constantly evolving, and staying on top of these changes can be quite a challenge. But worry not. By subscribing, you'll receive regular updates that keep you in the loop and ahead of the curve. You'll become a part of our community of digital success seekers, people who, like you, want to elevate their online success. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and join our community in the journey to financial freedom. In the digital age, creating and selling digital products has become a lucrative venture for many entrepreneurs. As we navigate through this era of technology, digital products offer a unique opportunity. They provide a convenient, efficient, and cost-effective way for entrepreneurs to reach a global audience, without the traditional overhead expenses tied to physical products. Imagine having your product accessible to anyone, anywhere, at any time. It levels the playing field and opens up a world of opportunities. In this video, we're going to delve into the process of creating and selling these digital products. We'll break it down into digestible, easy-to-follow steps. From ideation to creation, marketing, and finally selling, we've got you covered. Whether it's an ebook, an online course, or a piece of software, the principles remain the same. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to creating and selling your own digital products. The first step in this journey is to create your digital product. This might seem daunting, but fear not. It's a process that unfolds one step at a time. Let's start with the basics: identifying a market need. This is where your entrepreneurial instincts come into play. What's missing in the marketplace? What's a problem that needs solving? What's an area where you have expertise or passion that others might benefit from? Once you've got a bead on this, you're ready for the next step. Creating your digital product is where your creativity comes to life. Are you an expert on a particular subject? Maybe an ebook or an online course is the way to go? Perhaps you're a wizard at crafting unique sounds. A digital music album could be your ticket, or maybe you've developed a killer app. The key here is to play to your strengths and create a product that meets the market need you've identified. Now let's talk about packaging. This is an often overlooked but crucial step in the process. Your digital product isn't just about the content, it's also about the presentation. Think about it. Would you rather buy an ebook that's just a Word document or one that's professionally designed and formatted? Packaging matters, and investing in quality design can significantly increase the perceived value of your product. But creating a high-quality product isn't enough on its own. It needs to provide value to your customers. This is where your focus on the market need comes into play again. Your product should solve a problem, answer a question, or fill a gap for your customers. It should provide them with something they want or need, and do it well. Now that you've got your product, it's time to get it out into the world. But that's a topic for another time. For now, remember this: a great digital product starts with a great idea, followed by careful planning and execution. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating your own digital product that can generate revenue and help you break free from the 9-to-5 grind. Once you have your product, the next step is to market it effectively. Now let's dive into the realm of marketing. Marketing, folks, is like the heartbeat of your digital product. Without it, your product might as well be invisible. A well-crafted marketing strategy is the magic wand that makes your product appear in front of your potential customers. It's not just about making your product known, but about making it desirable. Let's start with social media promotion. In our digital age, social media platforms are the new town squares. They're where people gather, exchange ideas, and yes, discover new products. Harness the power of these platforms by creating engaging content that highlights the value of your product. Build a community around your product, engage with your followers, and turn them into advocates for your brand. Next, we move on to email marketing. Some might argue that email is outdated, but let's dispel that myth right away. Email remains one of the most effective marketing channels out there. It's personal, direct, and can be tailored to each customer's preferences. Use it to nurture relationships with your subscribers, send personalized offers, and keep your product top of mind. Finally, let's talk about search engine optimization, or SEO. This is the art of making your product discoverable on search engines. By optimizing your website and content with the right keywords, you can increase your visibility on search engine results. This leads to more organic traffic, and ultimately, more potential customers. But let's not forget, marketing is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's about testing, learning, and refining. Experiment with different strategies, track your results, and tweak your approach based on what works best for your product and audience. Remember, your product might be the star of the show, but it's marketing that rolls out the red carpet. It's what brings your product into the spotlight and turns potential customers into actual buyers. A good marketing strategy is key to getting your product in front of the right audience. And with the right marketing, your digital product can truly shine. With your marketing strategy in place, it's time to start selling your product. Selling digital products online comes with a plethora of advantages that can catapult your business to new heights. One of the most compelling benefits is the fact that your online store can stay open round the clock. No matter the hour, customers from all corners of the world can visit your digital storefront and make a purchase. This 24/7 availability means your business is always in operation, continually generating revenue. Equally enticing is the global reach that selling digital products online can offer. Your potential customer base is not confined to a specific geographical location. Instead, you have the entire world at your fingertips. Whether your customer is in New York or New Zealand, they can access and purchase your digital product with just a few clicks. Additionally, the digital nature of your product allows for the selling process to be automated. From purchase to delivery, the entire transaction can be completed without any manual intervention. This automation not only saves you time and resources but also enhances the customer experience by providing instant access to the purchased product. Setting up an online storefront is the first step to making these benefits a reality. There are numerous platforms available that can help you do this, each with its own unique features. Choose one that aligns with your business needs and provides a seamless shopping experience for your customers. But selling online isn't just about having a storefront. You also need to ensure secure payment processing. Customers need to feel confident that their financial information is safe when making a purchase. Incorporate reliable and secure payment gateways into your online store. Offering multiple payment options can also increase conversions and boost sales. In the realm of digital products, selling online presents a golden opportunity. With its 24/7 availability, global reach, and the ability to automate the selling process, it's a game changer. Add a well-designed online storefront and secure payment processing into the mix, and you've got a recipe for success. With the right tools and strategies, selling digital products online can be a smooth and profitable process. To make your journey easier, I recommend GetResponse, a powerful tool that can help you market and sell your digital products effectively. This platform is a treasure trove of features designed to streamline your digital venture. It's more than just an email marketing tool. It's your digital command center. Imagine having an intuitive email marketing tool that allows you to create and send eye-catching emails to your potential customers. Picture a tool that lets you design compelling landing pages without the need for a web developer. It's all possible with GetResponse, but there's more to it. GetResponse also offers automation features. This means you can set up email sequences, autoresponders, and other automated tasks to keep your marketing running smoothly, even when you're fast asleep. You'll find a link to GetResponse in the video description below. GetResponse is a game changer for any digital entrepreneur, helping you reach your audience and sell your products more efficiently. Let's recap what we've covered in this video. We kicked off by discussing the rise of digital products, a lucrative avenue that offers endless opportunities to thrive in the online marketplace. We then delved into the process of creating your digital product, from conceptualization to finalizing the product. We emphasized the importance of identifying your audience's needs and creating content that provides solutions. We then moved on to marketing your digital product, highlighting the power of social media, email marketing, and SEO techniques. Selling your digital product was our next focus, where we outlined various sales platforms and strategies to effectively engage potential buyers. We also introduced GetResponse, an essential tool that can streamline your marketing efforts, offering features like email marketing, landing pages, and automation that can significantly boost your product's visibility and sales. Remember, the link for GetResponse is available in the video description. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more tips, tutorials, and strategies to elevate your online success.